Yes, if you mean the one about space and guitars.
It's really good.
Yeah, I think it should win some awards.
I like guitar. Do you play the guitar?
Of course I play guitar. What do you expect me to?
Really? Are you really good?
No.
Oh, well I'm not that great either. I'm only grade 8.
Oh. Oh, well, sometimes I play mime guitar.
Mime guitar? Don't you mean air guitar?
I'm sure it's mime guitar.
Whatever you say. You like space?
Space, eh? So you're an astronaut, are you?
No, I'm an alien.
Ha, 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 ha. Ah! Uh, that's not so bad. So what's it like in space?
Well, it's like being in an open space.
Good fun.
That's what